Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to do motion tracking or object tracking in After Effects. Before we head for the tutorial, please hit the subscribe button as it keeps me motivated to bring such awesome contents more frequently. Here we are in After Effects. This is the project window where we will import our video file. So simply drag and drop our video into the project window. Now you can see that we have successfully imported our video. Now simply drag and drop the video to the timeline so that After Effects can create a composition of the same dimension and frame rate as that of the video. Head for the Effects and Presets window and search for 3D Camera Tracker. Now click and drag it to the video. You can observe that the effect is analyzing your video. So what it does is, it creates a 3D map of your video, means it copies the 3D information of your video so that you can apply that information into any other elements like text or solids. After it's done analyzing your video, you can zoom into it and you can see some small dots like objects. These are the points which the tracker has tracked throughout the video. To make them more visible, head to the effect controls and increase the track point size as per your requirement. You can see these concentric circle-like figures. They are planes and it constitutes 3 points. Basically, we have to stick our text to these planes. You can stick your text to a single point also, but it will be more comfortable for us to choose planes over points. So let's find a proper plane where we want to place our text. And yes, you can also make your own plane by holding Ctrl or Command button on your PC and then left clicking on 3 points. As now I have selected my plane, next step is to right click on it and select Create Text and Camera. As you can see, our text has appeared on the screen. Now click on the text on the timeline. Here you can see these 3 handles. The red one represents X position, green one represents Y position, and the blue one represents Z position. Let's type our text by double clicking on it. In the character window, you can adjust all the parameters related to your text. Play around with it and find your best settings. Now using the selection tool, drag your text to a suitable position. Ramp preview your video and see if you like the results. So if you want more tutorials like this, then let me know in the comments below. That's it for today guys, and catch you in the next video.